Role Play 8. Discussion with Taylor.
Samir is going to a tailor to sew his suit for his wedding. He reaches the shop and talks as follows.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, I am fine. Yes, tell me how may I help you?
Yes, Mr. Taylor, I'm getting married in April, so I have to sew a suit for myself.
That is good, MashaAllah. What kind of clothes do you want to wear to your wedding?
I want to wear sherwani.
Yes, that will be perfect. Okay, I will sew it.
Okay, please tell me how many meters of cloth should I buy for sherwani and pajama?
You will have to buy 3 meters of cloth for sherwani and 1.5 meters for pajama.
You mean that I have to buy 4.50 meters for the whole suit?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I will buy it, but please take my measurements now.
Okay, raise your arm. It is 14 inches.
Yes, it is fit.
What about the length of the sherwani? It is 36 inches.
It is too long. Make it 35 inches.
Okay, now I will measure your chest. It is 29 inches.
It is too tight. Make it loose to 30 inches.
Okay, will do. Now see into the mirror and see if it is fit or not.
Yes, it is perfectly fitted.
Okay, so it means that I have to sew the dress according to this measurement, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Good. I will sew the same size.
When will this suit be ready?
The suit may take 7 to 10 days to be ready.
Oh, so sad. Can you do it within 5 days?
Within 5 days? Okay, I will do my best.
Thank you so much, Uncle.
No problem. I will call you once the suit is ready.
Okay, I will wait for your call.
Sure.
Okay, bye.
Bye.